what's going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing just amazing today. I'm going to try to show you how to play the intro right there to Spirit of Radio by Rush in under 90 seconds. It's a beginner version here, so if I'm hitting the wrong note, don't rage at me in the comments. All right, hit like, hit subscribe, and let's just rock it. E major right here, E major, and that iconic part goes 2nd fret of the high E string, and just pull it off to the open E string. 3rd fret of the B string, and you can pick it off there. Now, maybe he picks back onto the high E string, but I do that. So that's where we've gone so far. And then put your pinky on the 5th fret of the high E string and pull it off to the open E string. Do this 3rd fret on the B again and pull it off again to the open B, and then do it again, 2nd fret of the high E, back to the open B string right there, and this time you go to the 4th fret of the E string. And then do the 3rd fret of the B again, off. So all together. And if you go crazy fast, and then you go to E major, low part of the E to the high E, and then it goes into all this stuff. I'll show you that as a bonus real quick. Open E string, 2nd fret of the E, 3rd fret, 4th fret, open A string, 2nd fret of the A string, open A, and then 3rd fret, hammer it on, 3rd to the 4th fret of the A string, 2nd fret of that D string, and then you're still in E major. Very cool. Then you go to B, but I don't have time for that. All right, tell me if this was helpful. Hit like, hit subscribe, and give me some ideas for more crazy fast 90-second lessons. See ya.